You ready, Mr. Teacher?
No, I'm not going to be teaching.
Tell us what's going on. What are you doing?
Putting this together? Oh,
What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
What are you putting together?
Something for your shoes.
What is?
Something for your shoes.
It's a shoe rack.
Yeah, you have like a million shoes.
It's a shoe rack, and Uncle is gonna be teaching baby Elias how to put it together. So Uncle, you have to teach baby Elias step by step, okay? And don't rush him. He's a baby. Okay? So what are we doing first?
I'm gonna sew this. Well, I'm gonna put this to the side.
Okay, so we're putting that up on top, okay? Alright, I don't see him helping. Is he not supposed to be helping you?
Oops.
Huh? Uncle?
1 second. Yeah, you can hold that if you want.
Okay, at least he's doing something.
First, put on these. Nice. This point, you gotta let go. That's gonna work like that.
Uncle, you need to explain to him what you're doing.
Okay, I'm putting together. Well, trying to. This is broken. A shoe rack. And you're looking away. Nice. Whoa. One second. Then you first you put on those.
Okay.
They're like the legs. Hey, you gotta let go. Unless you want to play with this. Here, you place that. Don't play that.
Okay. I don't think he should be holding that.
Hey, he's helping me. You said so.
Yeah, but not the one that's sharp. It's pointy. He shouldn't be holding that. Uncle, I think you failed there.
No, he's supposed to be helping. Uh-oh.
Hey?
It's gonna take forever.
Okay, so how long is this gonna take, Uncle?
No clue.
No clue.
Yeah.
I think baby is tired, like it's taking so long.
Yeah, you can take a nap now.
He can take a power nap, eh? Be back in 5
Hours.
Yeah, Uncle told you to take a 5, eh? All right, Uncle, explain it to me.
So, first you... that's not working. Okay, first you put on the legs. Then you put that on top of the legs. Then you put this on top of the thing that's supposed to be on top of the legs.
Okay.
Try not to cough. Then you put this on top of
Okay,
that.
covering the camera.
I
Okay.
don't even know what these are called.
Yeah, Papa. Uncle is giving us a tutorial. All right.
Then you put this on. Where's the one?
Yeah. Yeah. Baba, you're supposed to be lining, hey? Uncle is doing it all by himself.
Then, I think you put it on there somehow.
Is that a timer?
No, it's just my watch.
Okay.
It's over there. It's the jacket. Which way does it go?
Bless you. Bless you.
upset at. A second. Yep. Okay, I'm doing this right. Let me do that. And done. Show that to Dad and
This
whoever.
isn't going on, so I'm gonna let Tom do it.
Watch the video. It's educational. Hopefully. We should just have a video of Gracie doing that.
No, thank you.
Walk it.
No!
That was all her.
Did you actually video that? Fine.
Don't delete it. It's not your phone.
Delete it.
How is it going?
Oh,
We did it.
done it.
You did it.
This one is not on properly.
How come?
These two aren't.
No, I did that on all of them.
Oh,
Then you're unscrewing it and there.
that's okay because we'll just work our way down. No, you stop doing that.
The boy's gonna go?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Ooh, chicken nuggets? Where?
We're gonna get some pizza, guys. Okay.
There, done.